Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist. In this video today, I'm going to discuss a few things about blush and highlighters. So I'm going to give a few tips about how to apply highlighter, how to apply a blush. So let's get started. I'm going to show how I apply my blush. The one that I'm using today is from PAC Cosmetics Studio Blusher in the shade number 01. This is a slightly shimmery blush and it's good for party wear. Whenever you dip the brush in the product, always make sure that you use a very light hand. Don't put too much pressure while picking the product up. So with a very light hand, I'm going to swirl a little bit, tap off the excess. I have already applied my foundation and the contour. I have applied contour over here, so just slightly above that I'll place my blush. I'm using the same Wet n Wild contour brush to apply the blush, and I'm going to apply it in round and round motion. Don't go too much near the nose and the mouth, so just keep a little bit of distance and apply it till here. Next is the highlighter. If you have extremely oily skin and if you feel that highlighter just emphasizes the texture on your skin or makes it look extremely greasy, then in the next clip I have attached where you can check how you can mix up and use highlighter on oily skin to avoid that emphasized texture. Hello, so I forgot to mention that whenever you mix strobe cream in the foundation, always apply a primer, otherwise it will emphasize the texture on the skin. If not, you can directly use a powder highlighter. The one that I am using is from PAC Cosmetics. It's the baked highlighter in the shade 04. It has a little goldenish shade. It's a very beautiful highlighter. It goes with most of the Indian skin tone. It looks beautiful. Now highlighter is always applied to the high points of the face. Now high points of the face is the upper part of the cheekbones, the middle of the nose and here. But if you have oily skin, then avoid applying highlighter over here, otherwise it will make the forehead appear very greasy. So you can apply it here. I usually apply it over here because I have oily skin, and to the cupid's bow and to the chin. So I'm going to apply it now. So I will take little bit, again very light hand, with a very light hand dip the brush, tap off the excess and apply it to the high points of the face. Okay, that's it from this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions related to makeup, do write it down in the comment section below and I'll make sure that I answer it. And do check out my other videos as well. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.